Today we at the park. He wanted to come here. I told him it was 97 degrees. It's hot. So he got on that slide up that time. So it's hot. So now we're chilling. You can't wait till later to get on that little thing, huh? He can't wait. So he wanted to come now. We out here chilling in nature, man. Getting our vitamins in. Black shirt, black shirt. This is a slide that he got on top. Straight in the sun, talking about let's go to the park. Let's go to the park, he said. You having fun? Hot out here, huh? You wouldn't drink the whole juice in 0.5 seconds. That's crazy. But yeah, we're gonna continue enjoying nature, man. See this nice little tree above us. We're chilling.